Hello friends! How are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing great. Are you looking for a way to download the official SnapTube application? If you search for SnapTube on the Play Store as shown here, you'll notice that the app is not available there. So, if you want to install the original and official version of SnapTube on your phone, make sure you watch this video until the end. In this video, I'll guide you through a very easy method to download the genuine SnapTube app directly to your device. To begin, open the Chrome browser on your smartphone. As you can see, I have already opened Chrome. Once you're in the browser, type SnapTube latest APK in the search bar. I've already entered this search term here. After searching, you'll see the official SnapTube website appear in the results. This is the website you'll use to download the authentic version of the app. Now, tap on the SnapTube website link. Once the page opens, you'll see an option that says, Download SnapTube app for free on Android. This confirms that you've reached the official download page. Next, click on the Download SnapTube button. As you can see, the app size is around 26 megabytes. Simply download the APK file from here. Since SnapTube is not available on the Play Store, downloading it from its official website is the correct method. After clicking the download button, a Download Anyway option may appear. Simply tap Download Anyway to start downloading the app. Friends, if you found this video helpful and learned something new today, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Your support motivates me to bring more useful and informative content for you. Also, if you are new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. I regularly upload tutorials, tips, and helpful guides that can make your daily digital life easier. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Your love and support mean a lot to me. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe.